Controlling individuals look for and exploit vulnerabilities in their partner. Now, also, sometimes cultural or societal pressures can contribute. Society may idealize certain relationship dynamics, making it seem like you should put your partner's needs above your own. This can lead to tolerate controlling behavior, thinking it's normal, but it's not normal. It's only disguised as normal. If your partner is doing something to hurt you, that's could be emotional abuse if it happens over and over again. So, to break free from a controlling relationship, start by recognizing the signs of abuse and acknowledging that it's not your fault. Work on rebuilding your self esteem and seek support from friends, family, certainly a therapist. And also, you can try to establish boundaries and communicate your needs clearly. It's really important to always keep in mind that you deserve a loving and respectful relationship where you can be yourself.